Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's market news briefing by AV Finance Hub. Today, we will cover Indian stock markets, currency movement, crude oil prices, US markets, and the latest crypto updates. Markets across the world are under pressure because of rising bond yields, weak global sentiment, and geopolitical tensions. Now, let's begin with Indian equities. The Nifty closed below the important 23,650 level. This fail happened mainly because of heavy selling in banking stocks. Investors became nervous and panic selling increased during the trading session. Banking shares dragged the entire market lower. Mid cap and small cap stocks also declined because weak sentiment across the sectors. Whenever an important support level breaks, traders become more cautious. That is exactly what happened in today's market. This move shows that short term market sentiment is currently weak. The Sensex also ended lower because of strong selling pressure. Reliance Industries saw profit booking, which added pressure on the index. Banking and NBFC shares remained weak throughout the session. Another reason behind the decline was weak global cues from the US market overnight. When US markets fall sharply, Indian markets often open with negative sentiment. Overall, investors preferred cautious instead of aggressive buying. The Indian rupees touched a fresh record low against the US dollar. One major reason is cautious foreign investor outflows from Indian market. At the same time, demand for the US dollar increased globally. A weak rupees creates problems for imports. India imports large amount of crude oil and other goods. So import cost rise when the rupees falls. This can increase inflation pressure in the economy. For investors, currency weakness is an important signal because it affects companies, inflation, and foreign investments. Brent crude oil prices moved close to $112 per barrel. This is a major concern for India because India imports most of its crude oil. Higher crude oil price increase fuel cost, transportation expenses, and overall inflation. Oil making companies like HPCL, BPCL, and IOC may face pressure on their margins if crude oil prices remain high. The government may also face challenges in managing fuel prices. So, rising crude oil is becoming one of the biggest risks for the Indian economy right now. While most sectors were weak, IT stocks performed better. A weak rupees actually helps IT companies because they earn a large portion of revenue in US dollars. Companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and SCL takes a buying interest. When the rupee weakens, export earning increase after currency conversion. This supports margin and profitability for IT firms. Strong US technology deals are also supporting the sector outlook. So, IT stocks are acting as a defensive sector during market weakness. Foreign institutional investors, also called FIIs, continue selling Indian equities. The main reason is global uncertainty and rising US bond yields. Domestic institutional investors or DIIs are buying and trying to support the market, but their buying is not strong enough to fully reverse the downtrend. This continuous FII selling is creating pressure on Indian markets. Investors should closely watch foreign money flows because it strongly affects market direction. Geo platforms and PhonePe have reportedly delayed their IPO plans. The reason is market volatility and weak valuations. These IPOs were expected to become some of the biggest listings in India. So the delay has slightly weakened sentiment in the startup and fintech space. Investors are becoming more selective. Companies are waiting for better market conditions before launching public offering. USA markets also remain under pressure. The Dow Jones fell around 400 points as the recent technology rally cooled down. Rising bond yields, profit booking, and slowing excitement around AI stocks contributed to the sell off. Whenever US markets fell sharply, global markets usually become cautious. This negative sentiment also affect emerging market like India. The Nasdaq index declined more than 1%. Chip and semiconductor stocks faced heavy selling. Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and Broadcom all ended lower. Investors are becoming concerned about high valuations and slowing momentum in AI sector. Many traders believe the market became over after the strong AI rally. So profit booking has started. This shows that even strong sectors can face corrections after rapid again. This week, all eyes are on Nvidia's earning. Nvidia is currently one of the most important companies in the global AI industry. Investors will closely watch data center revenue, future guidance, and profit margins. If Nvidia delivers strong results, global technology sentiment may improve again. Strong earnings could also positively impact Indian IT stocks connected to cloud and AI business. But weak guidance may trigger broader selling in global technology stocks. The US 10-year bond yield has risen near 4.66%. This is very important for global markets. When bond yields rise, investors shift money from equities into safer government bonds. Higher yields also strengthen the US dollar. This creates pressure on emerging markets like India. As a result, FIIs may continue withdrawing money from equities. Rising yields are currently one of the biggest reasons behind global market volatility. Geopolitical tension in the Middle East continue to keep markets volatile. Investors are worried about supply disruptions, especially in crude oil and shipping routes. Because of these tensions, crude oil prices remain elevated, shipping costs are rising, and safe haven demand for gold is increasing. The Indian market is also affected because higher crude oil prices in inflation risks. Global uncertainty is keeping market volatility high across all asset classes. Bitcoin is trading near $76,800. At the same time, crypto funds witnessed the outflow of around $982 million globally. This shows that investors are becoming cautious in risky asset because of weak global sentiment. When risk appetite decreases, both stock markets and crypto markets usually face pressure together. Even after recent weakness, Bitcoin continues to remain the dominant cryptocurrency in the market. The debate around the US Clarity Act is becoming more intense. This proposed law aims to clearly define crypto regulations between the SEC and CFTs. Supporters believe clear regulations can attract institutional investors into crypto market. But critics are worried about loopholes, investor safety, and unclear jurisdiction. Global crypto markets are closely watching this development. Even India may eventually take signals from US regulations while shipping its own crypto policies in future. Let's quickly recap today's major market highlights. Nifty remained below 23,650. Brent crude stayed near $112. The Indian rupees touched a record low. Dow Jones fell around 400 points. Bitcoin traded near $76,800 and US bond yield climbed near 4.66%. Overall, global markets remain highly sensitive to bond yields, crude oil prices, and geopolitical tensions. Investors should remain cautious and focus on risk management during volatile conditions. Thank you for watching today's market news briefing by AV Finance Hub.